Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for March the 24th to the 30th. And we have a lot of great little deals in this flyer. I think as the week marches on with the different rebate apps, we'll find more deals. First thing I want to talk about is this booster. Always a year mileage may vary if you receive it or not. This is why this one is different. It says valid on each $30+ purchase. So the question is this more than a one-time use? And it's valid from the 24th right till the 14th of April. So I'm thinking yes, but we'll have to wait and see. Was this a typo? What's this about? Are they trying to compensate the fact that a lot of us are not getting paper boosters? Are they losing a big chunk of coupon shoppers because we can't stack any more of those paper boosters that aren't printing? I don't know. So maybe this is a peace offering of some sort, or they looked at the books and they're like, oh my God, we're not making enough money. Who knows? We'll have to wait and see how this one plays out. Okay, guys, if you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me if you could take a second and like this video. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing today if you love all things Walgreens. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, March the 24th in the Walgreens app. This is just simply a preview. I've just been doing this forever. I pretty much have the deals together, but again, if more coupons pop up on Sunday, that's the day to go and load them and to look at the fine print of the ad. St. Patrick's Day merchandise hits 70% at many stores. If you need this for decor, lots of little cute things, including socks as well. You might want to stock up at 70% off. It's probably going to hit 80% or maybe even 90%. We don't know. But they want that room for Easter merchandise, that's for sure. Also at Walgreens, lots of new tear pads have been blooming. Haha, little fun pun there. Just a lot of new tear pads, the deodorant aisle, the shampoo aisle. You might want to just moonwalk down those aisles and grab a couple or grab just one or grab nothing and then just look at them. Whatever you want to do, but there's lots of tear pads. Subscribers have been reporting to me, so I would grab at least one. We have the first deal, which is $7 Old Spice bathing products that we're looking at. $5 reward when you buy 3, and we're going to have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Now, if you head over to your IBOTTA account for the Pure Sport, there's a $5 back when you buy 3 of them. So that's the one that you're looking for. Open up your IBOTTA app and scan to make sure that they're attaching. And if you want to take a quick pause here, guys, there is no verbiage in mine about not using a coupon with this rebate. I don't know why some accounts do and some don't, but mine doesn't. Here's this deal. Grabbing 3 of these for $21, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $16. Get back one $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for another $5 back. It makes it $6 for the 3 or $2 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The next deal is with my favorite, the Pantene for $5. So we're going to grab 2 of them for $10. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, so you're going to pay $8. Get back one $3 register reward, making it $5 for 2 or $2.50 per bottle of Pantene. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The Crest and Oral-B products at $5, those are the ones we're looking at. There's going to be some $2 digitals starting on Sunday. Grabbing 2 of these products for $10, subtracting $4 in digitals, you'll probably have to grab 1 of the paste and 1 of the brushes. Pay $6, get back a $4 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The next deal that we're looking at is the Colgate for $4.50, and we're going to have a 3 off 2 digital, $4 register reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these products for $9, load your digital coupon, which is a 3 off a 2. You're going to pay $6, get back a $4 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per toothpaste. I saw Sensitive, which is the more expensive one, so if you want to grab that, that would be a good deal. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Here's an interesting one, $6.99 for the Schick disposable, $5 in Walgreens Cash when you spend $20 or more. We have $3 coupons plus this guy from a week back, so make sure you have it loaded, and then double, triple check your shop minimum if you have $3 back there on Sunday. Grabbing 3 of these $6.99 products is $20.97. Subtracting $7 in digitals, the 3 and the $4. Pay $13.97 with your debit card. As the verbiage of this offer is to spend $20, get back $5. You're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $8.97 for the 3 or $2.99 per razor. Check your shop minimum in case you can get extra $3 back, and do not use any Walgreens cash as this is a spend offer. Here's an interesting one. We have a $5 reward when you buy 2 on the Bounce and Downy Laundry Care. And then it's also the same promotion with the Gain. So I think you can grab 1 of each. And we have $3 coupons that are accompanying these products. So grabbing 2, it would be $20.98. Subtracting $6, you're paying $14.98. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $9.98 for the 2 or $4.99 per product. It's the same manufacturer. I believe it's going to be the same promotion, but you're going to have to double, triple check those tags at the store on Sunday morning. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash as this is a register reward offer. Okay, so now we're going to look at some honorable mentions. The first is a buy one, get 2 for free on these Complete Home, the Walgreens brand of food storage bags. Very comparable to Ziploc. It's usually $2.79 for the first, and then the other 2 are free, shaking it out to 93 cents per box of bags. That's a very good price point, cheaper than Dollar Tree. We also have the $9 Love Beauty and Planet, $6 reward when you buy 2. If this might have a digital coupon, this potentially could be a deal. But as of yet, we don't have one. Okay, the Shea Moisture $10 products, and then the deodorant as well, which is a new product. Spend 20, get back 10. Because the deodorant is a newish product, I'm thinking there might be some digital coupons on Sunday. So we'll have to wait and see what pops up, or maybe an IBOTTA rebate. We don't know. So there's that. The 7-Up, Canada Dry, and Dr. Pepper, 3 for $11.99, subtracting a $1 off 3 coupon. Makes it $10.99 for 3. That is like a 2019 price for this soda. Very good deal. The Oscar Mayer bacon is 2 for $8, so it makes it $4 a pack. I fried some of this up actually this morning for breakfast. Look how beautiful that bacon is. So for $4 a pack, this is a very good deal. If you can't track any down, ask for a rain check if your location offers that. More food, including a lot of BOGO free. The Cheez-Its 3 for $5. I mean, some great deals right here. Arm & Hammer is buy one, get 2 for free. I know there were some IBOTTA rebates the week previous. If they're still in IBOTTA, double, triple check, scan again, see if it might be worth it. And what is the buy-in price for the first one? If it's $8, maybe that's a pass. But if it's less than that, maybe a deal. And looking at the fine print of this, buy 5, get a $5 register reward on the Febreze and Mr. Clean. And then 4 for $16. Oh my gosh, they've really increased these rebates to get the items and the register rewards. I'm not sure what I think about this other than it just seems weird. I don't think a lot of us are going to be doing these kind of deals unless you're rich. It just seems a bit too rich for me. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.